Now, what if I tell you that in 2025, you can make money trading cryptocurrencies, whether price is going up or whether price is going down? You can make profits like this. This is what futures trading allow you to do. In this video, I'm going to break everything down. A simple step-by-step guide to trading futures, from setting up your account to taking your first profitable trade. And even if you're a beginner, don't worry, I'll make everything super easy to follow. Let's dive in. Futures trading is basically predicting the price movement of a crypto asset. Let's take Bitcoin for example. Let's say I predict that Bitcoin is going to go up, and Bitcoin does go up, I'll make money. If my prediction is that it's going to go down and it goes down, I'll make money. Now, if it goes opposite to my prediction, I will start losing money, and I might lose all my money if I don't apply proper risk management. This is one of the things I'll be teaching you in this video. And I'll teach you strategies you can use to make most of your trades a winning trade. So what do you need? You need 4 things basically: a VPN, an exchange, a position size calculator, and Telegram. The exchange we're going to use is Coinex. Coinex has been around since 2017, and one thing I like about them is that you can trade and withdraw up to $10,000 daily without KYC, unless you want to use their P2P platform. That is when KYC is needed. I will also be reaching out to Coinex for exclusive campaign for my community, so make sure you sign up with the link in the description. If I go to Coinex right now, it's going to display this. This site cannot be reached. That is why we need a VPN. So there are a lot of VPN you can use. I personally like to use NordVPN. It is a premium VPN and it costs about $3.39 a month, about $40 a year. But if you're not a heavy crypto user, you don't need NordVPN. You can use like Toner there. Toner there has a free version you can use to perform this action. So I'm going to turn on NordVPN. You can select any other country. I actually like selecting Kenya. So once I do this, I can then go to Coinex now using the link in the description, and the site will open up. I'll then go ahead and click on sign up and register, or basically create an account. So that is step 1. Now once you have done this, you can then go to your Play Store or your App Store to download Coinex. And from now, you no longer need a VPN, right? You can turn off your VPN, log into the app, and continue using Coinex through your app. So on Coinex, let's do a quick navigation. So we have the home, which is where we are at. If I click on the head and shoulder icon, you can see that I'm verified already. And we have the markets, we have sports. If you want to do sport trading, we have futures. This is where you do futures trading. And we have assets. This is where you have your money. Okay, so overview shows you all the money you have in your wallet. Me, for example, this account has $21. So you have sports, you have margin, under assets, you can move your money to futures, to loan, to earn interest on your money. You have financial and AMM. But we're interested in futures. So the next thing we do is to fund our account. If you don't want to do KYC, you can actually come under sport, click on USDT, and click on deposit to show you the wallet address you are meant to make a deposit to, so you can send crypto from any other exchange or anywhere else. But the second option is to do P2P. How do you do P2P? You simply go to home, then you click on P2P. So in this case, we're going to buy USDT with Naira. What is the process? So you can buy, you can also sell USDT and receive the Naira into your bank account when you want to sell. But in this case, we want to buy. So I'm going to click on buy. I'm going to buy 300,000 Naira worth of USDT. So I type the amount here, click on confirm, and I can click on this pay drop down and select the bank that I don't want. I am seeing here now the traders that can sell me up to 300,000 Naira worth of USDT. So the first one, FastPay, you can see that his bank is PalmPay and he has performed 27 trade. Now, P2P has some dangers in using them. One of them is fraud. So that is why KYC is required to do P2P. But even at that, there are ways you can mitigate this risk. One way is going for traders that have already conducted a lot of trades. For example, this fast play has 27 trades. Even though his price is most favorable, 1,583 to buy, the next one is 1,585. I would rather not go with fast pay. I'll go for someone who has a lot of trade already. For example, is Israel Trades. He has performed 1,328 trades. So I'll rather go with him. So I'm going to click on buy here, click on this, and I click on confirm. So I'm going to enter again the amount I want to pay. I can enter it in crypto. I can also enter it in fiat, which is Naira this time around. So I'll enter 300,000 Naira. At this rate, this will get me $188.91. So payment method is going to receive it through money points. I'll click on buy USDT. You can see here that I have 19 minutes 41 seconds to transfer this money to him. So the payment information is blurred. I'll tap on it and it's going to show. So for security reasons, I'm going to keep his name blurred. I'm just going to go ahead and copy his account number and make transfer to him. Now, when making payment to the seller, do not add any crypto related word. All right. You can just say maybe foodstuff, right? Don't add any crypto related stuff. Once I've made the payment, I'll come here and click on paid. You can see my time is just 18 minutes left. So I paid really fast. So right now I am waiting for the seller to release the order. I can click on this chat icon here to have a conversation with him. Now, if I waited for a long time and he doesn't pay, don't click on cancel order once you have paid. What I will click on is order appeal. What happens is that the Coinex support comes in to confirm if I've paid and to confirm if he has received it. Whoever is correct, the USDT will be released to that person. Now, this $188.91 that I am buying is actually right now being held by Coinex. He doesn't have access to it. He can only release it to me. Now, if you don't want to go through all the hassle of the P2P, there's a third option, which is buying or selling to me and my team directly. So there's a WhatsApp link in the description of this video. You can click on it to do P2P directly with me and my team. All right, so asset has been released. So if I view our asset, you can see the $188.91 in my sport account. So what I'm going to do right now is to transfer it by clicking on transfer. I'll transfer it to my futures account. I'll click all, transfer. So this money now is in my futures account. So now I have $210 in my futures account. So this is how to actually fund your account. Now, the next thing is to take a trade. If you want to take a trade, I'm going to walk you quickly through the futures platform to take a trade. So if I click on futures, this is where I select the currency pair I want to trade. Don't go to inverse, you can learn that later. Stick with linear. You can also do copy trading, by the way, but I'm not here to teach copy trading. You can do copy trading if you want to. Then the currency you want to trade, like this is JPUSDT. If you click on it, you can select any of this currency, or you can search for one, for example, BTC. I can select it and click on that. So I can buy, I can sell. So buy is you're going long, you're predicting the market will go up. Sell is you are selling short, you are predicting the market will go down. And you can see I selected 3x. This is where you select your leverage up to 50x for Bitcoin. And this is your order book at this site. So you can enter limit order or market order or stop limit order. And you can enter your price here and enter the amount you want to trade with. So we're going to come back here. It will make more sense as we proceed. So I've shown you what a VPN for. I've shown you how to navigate Coinex. The next thing is, let us actually analyze the market and take a trade. So for that, I would rather use the Coinex platform on my laptop, so it shows me a bigger screen to take a trade. I'm going to do everything on Coinex. So this is Coinex on my laptop, and it's still the same time. I'm going to go to futures and click on futures trading, because that is what we're going to trade now. I actually conducted some things here, which has gone my way. So let me expand this and show you what I did here. So this is my chart full screen, and this is Bitcoin USDT chart. So earlier today, this was my trade, taking a short position from here this way, and taking it down to this point. And this is a risk reward ratio of 3.77. Let me just show you exactly how I came about this particular trade. So the first thing we do now, we are on the 15 minutes time frame. We have chosen a crypto asset, which is Bitcoin USDT. We are on the 15 minutes time frame. So I'm going to go back to the daily time frame. As a matter of fact, let me remove all this and I drew here so that we'll have a clean chart. Do it from the beginning. These are called moving averages. I'm going to remove them. Cancel this, cancel this. So we have a clean chart. The thing we have here is MACD. As a matter of fact, I can also remove the MACD, but let me leave it. So this is the daily time frame. I do day trading, so I prefer to go to the 4-hour time frame. Once I'm here, what I have to start looking for is a support and resistance zone. Okay, so where we have multiple rejection. For example, if you look at this bottom here, it came down, went up from here, came down, went back from here, came down, went back from here, like that. So all these areas are rejection. So they are support area because the price of Bitcoin seems not to be able to go below this price. I'll pick this tool and try to mark out those regions. The region where we have rejections. So what is on my head now is that if Bitcoin get to the region of $93,000 or thereabouts, I should expect it to reject from here. Okay, if you look at the top, we have a rejection here, have another rejection here, and have multiple small rejection here. So these are other areas of rejection. I'll draw the same thing here. Even bring it lower. So these areas where we also have rejections. So I'm on the 4-hour time frame. I'm now going to go to the 1-hour time frame. I'm still looking for areas of rejection. I might choose not to use this, right? I can actually use this particular one, horizontal array. These areas are also areas of rejection because if I take it down, around all this area, we had rejections. So I'm interested in the most recent ones. So these are areas of rejection. So these are areas I expect Bitcoin to turn around from when they get there. So when I was drawing this today, the price was here and I knew it was going to retrace from here. How do I know? See the first way I know. I took this trend line here. I'm more like doing horizontal rejections now. So if I take it from this point, and I draw it down. So if you take, I'm connecting this point and this point here, and I draw it down. You see, it actually connected this one as well. So let me just change it. Connected this point, and this point. It was actually here when I drew it. Now let me just change the color to something else so you're not confused with this horizontal one. Yellow, I think I like yellow. Okay, if you look at this as well, there was a rejection here, there's a rejection here, rejection here, rejection at the bottom. I have rejections here, rejections here, rejections here. So I can also put another horizontal array around here. So these are areas of rejection. So these areas of rejection, price tend to bounce back from it. See what I mean? Price is going to tend to bounce back from here like this. But if price happens to break this yellow line, it's likely retrace this way and now start going up this way. Again, price can actually break down this line and come back like this and actually decide to go like this, further down. Now that we've drawn all this, right, we are cornering price to a distance. I'm going to add indicators now. I'm going to click on here. This is the indicator tab. I will add the moving average, MA, moving average. I'll click on it. I will click on it again to add another one. And I'm going to go here and click on these settings for the first one. Change this to 8. So see the tiny line. Don't know if you guys can see it. I can actually make it bigger to be more legible. Yeah, I can make the line thicker. I can also change the color. Let me change this one to white. The background is black already. So I'm going to change the other one again. This 9, click on it. I want to make this one 14. And let's make it also thicker so we can see it. Make it thicker. Which color should I make it? You can make it any color you want, it doesn't really matter. So see what happened here. Mind you, I'm still on the 1 hour. Now I want to go down to the lower time frame. So what the moving average is basically telling me is this. If I get to the area of rejection, I need the white one is 8, that is the first one to cross. Once it crosses, it's giving me a sign, right? A signal that should go long. Now we'll go to this area of rejection as well. I can actually take this here using price action because this is a shooting star. This candle here is called a shooting star. But you can see it also crosses here. It means I can take a trade here. But I should be careful and I should be taking my profit here. But anyway, we're on the 1 hour time frame. I want us to go down to the 15 minutes time frame or even the 5 minutes time frame because that is where I like to take trades. So what I do is that once it gets to the areas of support and resistance that I'm having here, for example, like I saw this trade, I saw that this is rejecting because these two lines are already connecting here and here already connecting. And once this one get here and this moving average crosses, is giving me another confluence to do what? To take a short position to predict that the price is going to go down. So that is another confluence. Another confluence again is this candle here. Is called a shooting star. So that is another confluence that is telling me that okay, price is rejecting. So this candle showing me that price is rejecting this region. This is also a bullish engulfing candlestick showing that price is rejecting. With the MA crossing and this trend line, it simply tells me that, you know what, Jude, take a short position here. So you can see, guys, we're keeping it really simple. Now, price is here. Is it going to reject? I'm not seeing any sign that it's going to reject, right? It might reject, but I'm not seeing sign here. I'm not seeing my candle. This is a doji. A doji is also tells you that price is going to reject, but it's only a doji that is showing me here. The EMA are not here to cross. They're not crossing. So I will just have to wait till I get more confidence before I can take this particular trade. But let's go back to here. Let's say price was here, right? When the price was here, how would I have taken this trade? Now I'm going to draw this. I'm going to take a short position here. Click on this. Then this is the point, right? So I'm going to place my stop loss up here and place my take profits at the previous or close to the previous swing low. This is a swing low. This is a swing. Please close to this, right? And it's a risk reward of 1:2.7. I can actually start taking a partial maybe from here, but ultimately this is where I should close my trade. Now, how do I take this trade? So let's look at what this trade signal is. So if I'm to get this signal, right, from the way I've drawn it, you can see that my entry price is going to be 98,554. My stop loss is 99,168. And my take profit, I can take profit 2 times. My take profit 2 is where I'm stopping now, which is here. It is going to be 96,680. That is take profit 2 actually. My take profit 1, I made that around here. So 97,528. So this is my signal. So how do I now place this signal? To take this trade, the question I ask myself is, what is my risk? What am I willing to lose in this trade? Let's go to my account. So I have $210 here. Let's say I'm willing to risk 5% of it. That is our $10. So my risk is $10. In other words, I'm willing to lose $10 if this trade goes against me. So what I would do now is I'm going to go to my position size calculator. So go to Play Store or App Store and download it. So it is called Crypto Position Size Calc. So this is it by Afibi. Yeah, Afibi. So I actually built this. So you open it now. It can go long or you go short. This is the app you use in doing risk management, right? Don't just trade without proper risk management. So with this, I'm going short. So I want to click on short. What is my capital? Yeah, so I'm going to put $210, and here I'll enter 5%, right? But that's what I'm risking. So I can do it this way, or since I already know the amount I'm risking, I just put $10 here and put 100%. Is the same thing, okay? Then my entry price, I'll now come to my signal. Entry price is 98554. 98554. My stop loss is 99168. 99168. So this is all I need, right? So my position size is 1,605. I can then go and place that trade. I want to go back to Coinex. You know what? So I can show you guys a practical example. I'm going to take a long position here because this one is already gone. Even though there's no confluence, don't do this, but I'm just taking this long position to demonstrate what I'm doing to you guys. Okay, can I decide to go to the 5 minutes time frame? Okay, this is not a setup I'm gonna trade, right? Although it's trying to cross now, and this is gonna come up. This has already crossed. Anyway, so I'm going to redraw that. In this case now, I'm taking a long position. This video is taking long, but it's all good. So you learned something from it. So taking this, I would rather wait for confluence to take this, or for the trend to set this to go up. I'd rather wait for this to go up, maybe come down before I'm sure that it's, trending before I take it with all that confidence. But just for me to show you guys what I'm doing, let me go and just take this because the other one I cannot enter it. So for this particular one, if I put in my stop loss here and put in my take profit here, I can make this my TP1 and do TP2. I can just stop it here. Let me quickly write out the signal again. So this is my new calculation. So I'm going to go back to my positions I calculated. So I'm going long now. Click on long. I'll do the same thing here. I have 10. Risk is 100% of the $10. My entry price is, this is actually moving, but I'll just go ahead and put my entry price, which is 96810. 96810. My stop loss is 96292. So my position size is 1,869. So how do I take this trade? I'm going to go to Coinex. Some people say don't pick too much leverage. Here, you can actually use any leverage you want, right? What matters is your position size. I can use 30x, I can use 20x, I can use 50x. What matters is my position size, and I put my take profit properly. So I want to enter this trade immediately, which is market order. What I'll enter here now, because if you see, what I have is 210. Because I'm using a leverage of 50, this has multiplied by 50. That's why my maximum is 10,263. That is what it is. That my leverage has multiplied it. My position size now is 1,869. So I'm going to enter 1,869. So that is what I'm trading with. I'll just go ahead and take this trade. Enter. No, I'm not. I'm going long actually. Buy long. 1,869. So I'm gonna click on buy long. So I am in this trade, right? Trade you can see is going against me now. So the drawdown. Now, what do I do now? Since I'm here, the next thing I will do is to set my take profit and stop loss. So where it says take profit and stop loss, what I'm going to do here is to enter my stop loss. Is a different way. Enter take profit. My stop loss is 96292. So you see that what I'm going to lose is just $10, thereby $11. based on the calculations we have done. I'm going to click on confirm. My stop loss is set. Now, to set my take profit, I like to use the close position. I click on close position. Now use limit order. My first take profit is 97565. So enter 97565. So I can start to take like maybe 50% of the 50% of it. Confirm. And I'll still click on close buy again and take maybe the remaining 50% out, putting the price I want to take it out at. So this is basically how you place trade on Coinex. Hope you enjoyed this video so far. Like I said, I don't know the direction on this trade because I haven't done proper analysis, or I have not found confidence. I just took it because just to show you guys how we take trade. Now, the next thing, Telegram. So what do you do with Telegram? Telegram is where we give out signals. We give signals almost every day. We're giving signals on Bybit, but now we are also giving signals on Coinex. So if you're registered with the link in the description, what you do is that click the Telegram link, go to Telegram. You will see signals like this that I gave, right? You can take those signals. The thing here is this. You can trade by yourself, try to find confluence with everything I showed you. You are good. Maintain proper risk management. We will also give a signal. The signals are not always 100% correct, right? Because of course, after all your analysis, the trade can still go against you. But if you maintain consistency and follow a particular strategy and don't stop it, even if you're losing, maintain that particular strategy, or do a back test. Get TradingView and do a back test, apply these things, do a back test and see how it worked and see the win rates of that particular strategy. They cannot use it, right? No trading strategy is 100% correct, but if you maintain 50% and it's giving you a risk reward ratio of 2, then you are fine. So this is how you trade futures 2025 using Coinex. And if you have questions, let me know in the comment section. Let me also know if I should bring back the live classes here on YouTube so you can ask me questions in real time. I'll see you guys in the next video.